welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming a day in a life video. I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm about to head outside right now to get some groceries and also to get some nice keto cupcakes that my cousin made. I'm gonna show you guys also that part. I'm so excited for that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love you to join the family. I'm a health and nutrition coach and my name is Naz. And yeah, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. Sit tight, get your tea, and enjoy the video. So before I go anywhere, I first have to do my green tea matcha latte. If you guys know me, you know how I'm a huge lover of matcha latte. It's just, I don't know, it's something else. It's better than tea. So this is actually a brand that I've been trying lately. They've sent me this product and I love it. One thing that I don't like with matcha is sometimes it's too bitter or the quality is not there. So this one actually is really nice. The taste is amazing because I think it has acai berry, so it makes it a little bit more sweet. But it also has 16 other superfood ingredients. So it has wheatgrass, chlorophyll powder, sorry for that, spirulina, which is really high in iron, chlorella, spinach, broccoli powder, kelp, rock leaf, parsley, celery, grape seed extract, and much more, and of course matcha powder. So I really love it. So this is how I make my matcha latte every morning. I always share it on my Instagram, so I'll show you guys how I make it. I like to blend it because it just makes it more foamy and it gives it like a latte texture. So it's really simple. I just boil water, I add the matcha, 1 spoon is enough, and I add my oat milk creamer, and then I just blend it for like 5 seconds, and that's it. That is legit it, guys. And then I use also their tumbler. They send me a tumbler. I like this tumbler because you can store food at the bottom, and like you can store vitamins or even powders at the bottom of the tumbler. And I like it because it can keep drinks cold and hot, which is amazing. So yeah, so I'm just putting everything. I'm just showing you how foamy it is. It's just from another world. So that's my drink for the morning. And then very soon I'm going to show you my new favorite way of making eggs in the morning. But if you guys have been following Nadiya's cooking on Netflix, oh my god, guys, you have to check her out. She shares simple and quick, delicious recipes. So I was inspired by her for this breakfast. So basically what you need to do is just scramble. You're not gonna scramble, but you're just gonna mix 4 eggs. This is 2 servings, so for today and tomorrow. And I just beat the eggs a little bit. And then you will also need some type of meat. That's optional, but I had some chicken breast in the fridge. I'm gonna add some onions, some spinach. I'm also gonna use a tortilla. So this tortilla is too small for my omelette, but it was still amazing. So right now I'm just pouring some oil, avocado oil, of course, always cooking with avocado oil, and just wait for the oil to get a little bit, like not a little bit, but very warm, because I have a non-stick iron pan here, but if you don't have that, you really have to wait for the oil to sizzle a little bit, and once it's done, you just pour. That's how I test when it's ready. So I'm just pouring half of it on here, and you see how like it's already cooking, and then I just make sure it goes all around the pan. And this is my omelets. I also tried this recipe with smoked salmon. It's even better. So right now I'm just adding salt and pepper, and then I'm putting all of my ingredients on the other side. So the chicken breast, the spinach, the onion, and I'm gonna put my tortilla. So this tortilla is too small for this size, the size of the omelets, but that's what I had it on hand. See how it looks ridiculous. And then I like to add like one little butter on the other side of the tortilla, just to gives it that crispy butter taste. I'm doing keto, so it's fine for me to eat butter. So yeah, and then I'm gonna flip it, and that's it, guys. So delicious. You can store it. You can even, if the tortilla is a little bit bigger than this, you can actually have it as a wrap for lunch. So this is amazing for kids, for you. So delicious. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm placing my breakfast. So I have my omelet tortilla. I also made some coconut macaron. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you have to, because that's where I share most of my recipes on a daily basis. So delicious. And then I just chopped 2 strawberries. So this is how my macaroon looks like. So easy, so delicious, so fluffy. And then I made some buttercream on top, just to put it on top and make it more sweet. So this is my breakfast, guys. It looks delicious. So a month ago, I actually ordered some shoes from Skechers. If you know me, I love Skechers. They're so comfortable, and I needed new shoes because of my pregnancy. My other shoes don't fit anymore, and I needed some walking shoes. So these shoes are made for walking, and yeah, so I placed the order a month ago because of what's happening right now. It took a whole month to come, and right now I was just so excited. I had to share it with you guys. It is so comfortable, so light, so airy. Oh my god, I love Skechers shoes. Seriously, I have so many pairs. Hey guys, so I'm with my cousin right now. I think you started recording. It's been a while, you haven't seen her, but you know.
Do you guys miss me?
Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys the cupcakes that she made.
Wait, can I make a disclaimer first?
Yeah, no, they're so cute. Let me show you guys first of all how they look like.
Okay guys, these are keto cupcakes. That's my disclaimer. This is the first time I ever made keto cupcakes, but
on a regular basis she makes regular cupcakes. And soon she will start adding gluten-free cupcakes,
yes,
sugar-free cupcakes, just so that, you know, everybody can be happy.
My own stuff too.
Yeah, so I'm actually really excited because I'll get to taste keto cupcakes, and I don't think I can find that anywhere, to be honest. So that's that. I'm gonna leave your links.
I was gonna say I did this challenge for, I don't know if they know the baby's name.
No, they don't know the baby's name, but
I did it for the baby more than her, because I know she's doing keto, but I care about the baby.
Yeah, well, the baby, the food is going through my mouth first, so whatever. But yeah, they're so cute, mashallah. I'm gonna leave all your links. Well, you can tell them where they can find you.
The name might be too complicated, so you can put it right here.
Yeah.
Yep. And yeah, you guys can see my stuff once I start.
Sorry for the background sound.
Yeah, the cars are distracting.
But yeah, so, and you only serve Ottawa and Gatineau region.
Yes.
Just so that we're clear. But yeah, now I'm gonna try them. I have to try one.
Oh yeah,
right?
I forgot. Okay.
And you know my expressions, I can't lie. If it's disgusting, you'll know.
Which one do you want to go for?
I'll go this one. Because that one looks like it's gonna be messy. I'm gonna do this one.
Go for it.
Okay, hold this. So, smell. By the way, guys, I'm not fasting because I'm pregnant, so don't come at me in the comment section, huh? I'm just saying. Ugh, I just hate to ruin this, but smell the background. They're really good. They're really good. I'm actually happy, seriously.
The way you bit into it so quickly.
No, they're really fluffy. I like it. Oh my god.
How's the texture?
They kind of taste like pancakes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they taste like pancakes.
I was gonna say that was kind of the aim because I used more coconut flour than almond.
Sorry guys. Really good. I love it.
Well, you guys can find me to know if she's lying or not.
Well, anyways, most of them, they don't do keto anyways. So if the keto version is good, then the normal version is good too.
Wow. I was gonna say you're kind of making me jealous, but...
So I'm just showing you guys my little garden. I had this little garden going on for about a year and a half. Almost 2 actually, so I'm pretty proud of myself. I got them really small, so I just have to water them today. But this plant is amazing. Like, you don't really have to do much with it and it stays alive for a long time. I'm not a plant expert, so that's for sure. But I love it because whenever you water this plant, like those leaves, they're just gonna go up. So that's when you know they're like hydrated, and when they need water, they go really low like this. And this one is also a no-brainer. You most likely see this in malls, like they grow by themselves. They don't really need a lot of water. There's a small little one growing here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have to repot that one and put it in another small pot so it grows by itself. I did the same for the aloe vera that I have. I have one there, I have another one there, and another one somewhere there. And it came from one aloe vera that I got. I think it was my first plant. I had to get rid of it because it was just becoming so big. And this one I have to get like something to hold it up like that, like a little, I'm not sure what exactly, but I have to do something with it because they're like falling all over the place. But they're growing pretty well. I'm pretty proud of them. I'm gonna water them. And I also have this one here. It's a bigger plant. It says that it can stay alive if you take care of it for 8 years, which is amazing. And you don't really need to water this plant also too often. So during the winter I only water once every 2 weeks, and during the summer I only water once a week. So today that's what I'm gonna do. And let me show you my other plant. I have another one here. It's also my favorite because you can legit decorate your house with it. Is this one. Like, you see how long it's going? I don't really water it very often. It used to be in that room because there's much more lighting, sun coming through that room, so it was growing so fast I had to put it somewhere else. So yeah, it's really nice. You don't need to water it too much. Also, it goes all the way down. People put it up so that, you know, you can see like some leaves coming down. It's really nice. So I might do that soon. that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna water my plants. So after watering my plant, I like to just spray some water on top of the leaves. It just gives it life. So that's what I'm doing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and join the family, and we'll see each other in the next video.